Imagine you're scrolling through Instagram and boom.
Failure has made me who I am today. Failure gives you two choices. You stay.
An anime reel hits you with motivation so powerful, you can't stop watching. We've all seen these types of anime motivational reels, and they're taking over Instagram. And here's the proof. This Instagram page is blowing up, with over 1 million followers, with several videos reaching over 5 million views. And one video even exploded to 16 million views. And it's not just them. I found 2 other accounts with similar reels doing great too. And with just 19 posts, this account has already gained 29k followers. With accounts like these blowing up, you've got to start now if you want to be next. Today I'm unlocking the blueprint to not just consume, but to create these trending anime reels, grow your own viral page, and dominate Instagram. In this video, I'll show you how to come up with a catchy name and logo for your Instagram page, create those anime motivational reels, and share a few extra tips to help you go viral. And the best part is, you'll do it all with just a few clicks, thanks to AI. Alright, let's kick things off with the name and logo. First, let's start with the name. Just open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 5 Instagram name ideas focused on motivation, discipline, and self-improvement." And let's see what it comes up with. Alright, I like this one. Driven Mindset will be our new IG name. But if none of these names work for you, just type 5 more. It will give you another set to choose from. Okay, we've got our IG name. Now let's move on to creating the logo. For the logo, we'll be using Canva. We're aiming for something clean, simple, and instantly recognizable. Let's get started. Click on Create, search for the Instagram profile picture size, and change the background color to black. Next, search for elements that represent your Instagram name. For Driven Mindset, I'm choosing a fire element to symbolize energy and drive. Now I'll add some text, just the name Driven Mindset. Let's make it smaller and place it right below the fire element. And just like that, we're all done. Something's still off, don't you think? Got it. I'm adding a lion inside the fire element. This gives it more impact and makes the logo really stand out. Now it looks bold and powerful. Exactly the vibe we're going for. Now that our name and logo are set, it's time to start making those anime motivational videos. For the video, they're using clips from Hajime no Ippo, a popular Japanese anime that's packed with powerful, motivational scenes, which is perfect for motivational reels. Now to get those clips, head to YouTube and search for Ippo Makinuchi training scenes. Once you find the video you like, copy the video link. Then open Google and search for YouTube Video Downloader. Open any site you like, paste the link, and hit download. Download a few of these scenes so you have plenty of options to work with. Once that's done, it's time to find the motivational speech for our video. For the motivational speech, you can look for something inspiring said by a famous figure or even a powerful line from a motivational movie, like this one.
Failure has made me who I am today. Failure gives you but failure has made me who I am today. Failure gives.
As you can see, the original audio comes from this iconic moment with John Cena. When combined with the right visuals, it creates a powerful impact for your reel. I tried creating a motivational speech with AI, but it just doesn't hit as hard as the real thing. Plus, you can find plenty of motivational speeches on YouTube or Instagram. But since I've already found mine, we're ready to move forward. Now that everything's locked and loaded, let's turn this into a viral masterpiece, aka editing. Open CapCut, drop in the training clips, and cut out all the unnecessary parts. Make sure to keep only the best training scenes. Now drop in the motivational speech and sync it perfectly with the video. Alright, let's add some smooth transition effects between each clip to keep the flow seamless. Click on transition, then choose the one you like. I'm going with a black fade. Adjust the duration from here. Then click Apply to All. It'll automatically apply to every clip. Now let's add a filter to enhance the overall look. Click on Filters and choose one that fits the vibe of the video. I'm going with the Oppenheimer filter. Then stretch it across all the clips. Then adjust the intensity from here. I'm keeping mine around 50. Now let's add captions to hook the audience. Click on Captions. Then go to Caption Templates. Pick the one you like. Click Generate, and it'll automatically add the captions for you. Drag the captions to the very center of the video since that's where viewers' eyes are naturally focused. Alright, this method is done, but now I want to show you an even simpler way to create these videos without needing a motivational speech. With this method, all you need is to add a powerful motivational quote or line to the video. And if you're wondering, does something this simple actually work? This video that racked up over 2 million views using this exact trick. Now let's jump in and create our own. First, we need a powerful motivational line. I'm using ChatGPT for this. Just type, "Give me 5 motivational quotes about improvement improvement. And boom, now we've got some killer options. Pick the one you like. I'm going with this one. But again, none of these hit the mark. Just type 5 more, and it will serve up another set of quotes for you to choose from. Okay, now copy your motivational quote. Head back to CapCut, click on text, and paste your quote right here. Next, tweak the text to match your vision. Adjust the font, size, and style to make it pop with the vibe of your video. Next, let's add some motivational music to really bring it all together. And that's it. We're all done. It was literally that easy. But if you're ready to take it to the next level, break the motivational quote into 2 parts. Write the first half, then write the second half right after the beat for maximum impact. It should look something like this. Now here's the final video, everything we've put together in action.
Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, and maybe not the next month, but only one thing is true. I will be champion one day, I promise. I promise.
Nice.
You can see how simple yet powerful this method is. Keep watching these reels for new ideas and stay ahead of your competitors. As you consistently create your own, it'll soon become second nature to you. Now let me share a few tips to help you go viral on Instagram. First tip, video length. Keep your video length between 7 to 9 seconds. This sweet spot helps maximize retention because it's short enough to keep viewers engaged, but long enough for Instagram's algorithm to recognize and boost it. Second tip, share your reels on your Instagram story. From my experience, I've seen a 10 to 20% boost in engagement within the first 24 hours. Those crucial hours where your content have to gain the most momentum. Third tip, copy tags. There's what I mean by copying tags. Using the exact same hashtags that successful creators in your niche are already using. Think about it. These tags have already proven their worth by getting those videos in front of a large audience. By using these trending tags, you're tapping into an already engaged audience who's interested in your type of content. So when you align with what's already working, you increase your chances of being pushed out to even more users. Don't sleep on this tip. Tags can make or break your post's reach. Next up, fourth tip, posting time. Posting time is everything. You can't expect your content to go viral if you're posting when most of your audience is asleep.
But bro, how should I know when they're sleeping or on Instagram?
Don't worry, it's simple. Just go to your insights and check when most of your followers are active. Then post about an hour earlier. As you can see, 6 p.m. is when most of my followers are active on Instagram. So the best time for me to post is around 5 or 5:30 p.m. That way my reel is fresh in their feed, right when they start scrolling. Alright, you've made it to the finish line. Now it's time to take everything you've learned and put it into action. Whether it's your first post or your 100th, remember, every great journey starts with a single step. Consistency is key, so keep creating, keep improving, and you'll be the one racking up millions of views. But if you're serious about leveling up, then hit that subscribe button. You've got all it takes. Now go out there and make it happen. You'll see me in your dreams if you don't subscribe.